Hey YouTube, welcome back. So this is probably the third time I'm fixing this. As you can see, it's sagged down. So this time around, I'm gonna have some kind of wood to support on the bottom. I'm not sure if it's still broken on the wood over here or not. It's sagging down pretty much. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to open this up again with the flathead screwdriver to remove those staples and use this plier to get it out. And I will need to use my drill again to remove the corner, the bottom wooden feet. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna flip over and then let's do this. So unfortunately, the wooden beam has broken off again. Oh my goodness! I'm not sure how it happened. Anyway, I gotta get in there and fix it again. Hopefully, I do it right this time. Maybe I use like a big piece of wood going across it, instead of putting like a tiny beam like that. Okay, so on the side, I'm gonna build like a frame right there, and then screw this plywood onto the board right here. So I can have screws, put some screw in here to screw onto the Ottoman frame. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. So I will need to have a bigger piece of this wood. So this will prevent from the foam keep on slipping on the edge and coming through. And this will replace this broken beam. As you can see, it's broken. Alright, so this is what I built, and hopefully it's gonna fit in there nicely. And I'm gonna screw on both sides once I fit in there. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, I cut myself. Unfortunately, the calculation is missed by that much because the beam is warped. So on the edge is too tight. So I'm going to remove this piece, and I'll use the shorter piece. So this should be now enforcement. If not, I might have tossed this Ottoman away. This is my final fix. And if it breaks again, I give up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.